Hi, this is a basic overview of Google Sheets. We're going to take a look at just the basic elements that you can look at more advanced ones later on. You'll see here that this is the sheet. It's the equivalent of Microsoft Excel. So you're going to notice that there are a lot of similarities, and I'll point out what those are. We start off, this is an untitled sheet, and that's the way it is titled at the beginning. So you're going to always want to make sure that you put your title in there. When you title it, you'll notice that it's saving. All changes are automatically saved in Google Docs. This means there's no save button. Anytime you make a change, even if it's a little period, it will automatically save for you, and you'll never have to worry about that. It's kind of a relief, don't you think? So this is the toolbar. It looks, once you kind of look at the characters, you're going to notice that they all look like things you've seen before. So you have your undo and your redo. You have your different kinds of data that you want to put in. You've got your fonts, your font size, your bold, your italics. Your strike through is really nice to be on this one, and then your text color. You can always change your cell colors. So this is where you're going to paint your whatever cells you'd like. So you'll essentially select them, and then select the fill color for that. Here's where you're going to put in your borders, so we can add borders to that as well. And this is where you're going to be able to merge things. So if you're wanting to merge a couple of cells and merge them together, then you can do that. We have the horizontal, the alignment for left, right, and justified. So you've got that right here. We also have the vertical alignment. Do you want your text to be at the bottom of a cell, the top of a cell, or smack dab in the middle? This is the one where if you have a lot of text, it's going to go through the different lines. If there's no text up to the next column, you can have that wrap the text, or you can have it clipped per column. You can change the text orientation in a particular cell. It's always going to be from left to right, but you can always change that to be a little bit different. You're going to be able to select particular data and get charts for that. Unfortunately, there's no data here, so you're not going to see anything that comes up. And then finally, you've got your filter features and then your sum features. So if you are doing some very quick sums, averages, or you want to get a quick count, you can get that right. You can select those things and get those right there. If you are looking for formatting for your data specifically, you have all of these things that you can go through and take a look at. For the data, you'll be able to create pivot tables here and take a look at a couple of other things there as well. And then as far as tools go, there are some, if you're a more advanced user, there are some script editors that you can use for that. If you don't know how to share a document, take a look at my share video, and that'll help you understand what the sharing settings are in Google and how you can share yours accurately.